Ebushama ma akwa ba mfa mbra Ghana Asem TV GH. Message like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime you post video be tell we usame kebi. Ebushia one thing very very sure say most NDC for omonka with their mouth but they know and he said they are scared. From insider informations intercepted our Ghana Asem hano. Actually say some of the penifo more NDC mo are calling for a halt. So munjai arrest bebre achichi bebre omu dia omu desi omu ni so omu ye. And that is why I think within the past week one of the stalwart of the NDC Freno Alesegbefia came out openly to say no, this is not what Omo party is standing for. And if you want to catch somebody, want to arrest somebody, you need evidence. You need the person must have done something very wrong, and that is why you are catching the person. You don't catch people based on useless suspicions, based on the fact say almost serving in one capacity or the other. You can't say you see, NDC for Abra Moba power no. I don't know the kind of meetings I don't know the kind of ideas on Moody buy, but by now, no, as someone say the kind of ideas on Moody buy, the kind of meetings on Moody no, and yeah, idea be bow mine, because they say instead of say yen MPP mu will start giving what do you call suggestions, because a party in opposition sometimes we give suggestions to the party in power and they do for them to do better, but right now no. Our minds now is filled with revenge. Uni MPP Nibia Kasano, we say the first thing I want to dream when you say revenge. A person back to power to come and revenge and avenge at the Bonia NDC for the year. That is basically how it has become, how the mind of people have become. And you cannot accuse them, you cannot blame them because Adentia NDC for na ye. NDC for Omuna Maye. We were all living peacefully. The state agencies, police, national security, IOCO, and the others, they were doing their jobs. And the jobs that they were doing, and found so MPP and say NDC. That was the kind of job they were doing. In fact, special prosecutor office, OSP office, and they buy. And once you were in power, special prosecutor was investigating people that were buying them. Right? And we were not used to this kind of politics that NDC has introduced to our political domain. But once they have introduced it, what can we do? All we can do is to learn. Say we are they will come and implement it. So penny for be are worried. And the reason is clear. Penny for be their children have appointments. They are working in government sector. And they know, say, what they are doing when tables change, when tables turn, their children are going to be affected. The children that have been, giving contracts, their children that have been given, appointment, they will be affected. That's all I have to tell NDC for. Whatever you do, think about repercussions, or chinano. When tables turn, how is it going to be for me? That is how you make decisions. If you keep making decisions based on, say you are in power and you think you are going to be in power forever, danger is knocking at your door.
You see, it is not for nothing that everybody Ghana has said the performance of this government vis-a-vis how they are treating the political opponents, it is not for nothing that everybody is saying, say, it is not for nothing. People have seen what is coming. All right? Even the dissenting voices in the NDC, they have seen what is coming. And it is not pretty for them. Okay, and unti enye kwa say obi ti say alesebefia ebe sorry na wa sha ase se owoni NDC for to be careful enye kwa se obi ti se abambabin obe sorry na wa ka se our democracy is going backwards enye kwa se obi ti se Haruna Idrisu obe sorry na wa ka se NDC for you should be careful how you are imprisoning people left and right. These are people who are matured in politics. And yet they need a food soldiers and send someone or more a TikTok, any social media, these are people who have lived through the times. And they know, say, when things change, and Crawford be mobile mobo e say. All right. All right. People who have experienced how they went through in other governments, okay, they know how the MPP can be vindictive. Okay, Miami Party, but me say they can be very, very, very vindictive. Okay, and so when they get to your case, when they get on your case, forget it. Forget it. Why? Eya munko busa chachuchukata. Alright? Eya munko busa chachuchukata. Eniti, comedies na mo de mo ye ne de. Montina social media na monye. Okay? Yachi obi tumwa, then obi aba betro. The law is the law. Abuzia, you are not there. And unti se eba biana amfa. Okay? The appointees, omuna esugu omuyemu. Omuna esugu omuyem. And I may say, and I may say, it is not for nothing. Say, dissenting voices in the NDC, they have started warning them. Okay? In their private life, they are telling them, you people, be careful. Be careful. Ghana's democracy na mudidi agrosano. Okay? Mushe na ebetumi a pass shemo big time. Obi say, you people weaponized the judiciary. I don't think we are doing the same. Okay? But MPP, they may say, they will put missiles and they will put bombs on it. Say a pa na say shemwa abusia ebetumi a shem big time. All right? Entimudi yeka na se muntie na mudi the law is the law. Okay? MPP social media activists and mudi muani esi wo mo so che say mo chichi say you are weaponizing the security services, you are weaponizing the bail system, you are weaponizing the judiciary. Okay? Me say epa necessary abusia, it will not be for nothing that when people were warning you, you people didn't listen.
He's a man penny John Mahama. A movie car from Accra. Convoy. Ping pong ping pong ping pong ping pong ping pong ping pong. Muma coin. You call Volta. Had a assembly hall. And this assembly hall crown when you see you. Assembly hall akufado aye hunduma over 80%. Actually, I won't carry you. Also, bar resettor. I'm serious. Assembly hall. Pecky. I'm not joking. I'm not kidding you. I'm very serious about it. I know it's unbelievable, but that's the truth. Assembly hall. Your mama say, oh, bar resetting tour. Oh, Volta region. Assembly hall. No, so commission. Oh, Jesus. Now, do you know why I'm even talking about this thing? Sometimes it hurts that I see me. I've never. The only days I regret being a Voltarian is when NDC matters come in, because I love my tribe. I love Volta. I love my people. Bible Shamfo, when I see the kind of suffering even that we are going through of Volta region, and I see the way my people reacted today to John Mahama coming all the way from Accra to come and commission Assembly Hall, and my people were jubilating as though they have not seen the type of Mahama before. Oh, Volta 4. Volta 4. And the Assembly Brea and all the noise I've been making, I make just because I want my people to understand. Akufo-Addo gave water to over 92 communities. Akufo-Addo gave water to over 92 communities. Our Volta region constructed roads. Built the biggest nursing and midwifery school. Our Volta region, what didn't Akufo-Addo do? Assembly Hall until you are jubilating. Hey. Sometimes Volta 4, mama jumanu ye mi din dodo. Tell me if this continue this way, I will move to Domi Kwabnya because Domi Kwabnya is also my constituency. Yeah. In Accra, Domi Kwabnya is also my constituency. I'm eligible to contest for anything in Domi Kwabnya. I'm eligible to vote in Domi Kwabnya. Because Chale is basically as if we don't have as a voter region said there's no hope. No, because what can you tell me this? Go and look at the videos, like how people had come out, how people had left their jobs and things in Volta region. At the Mahama be commission to Assembly Hall. Oh, Assembly Hall. Volta. Challenge mo on pie be boy. My million more. Because what I saw today broke my heart. It broke my heart. Sincerely speaking to you, it broke my heart because these people, I'm among them. They are my people. I know how people are suffering. in Volta region. I know when you go to the market, I hear how the market women complain. So it was shocking to me, say, and Mahama Aba of John Mahama, His Excellency about region Wemunu, my people still demonstrated the kind of love. And even university students, she was it even hurt me more than anything. The university students who saw John Mahama today, who were also jubilating. Oh, when your government is not doing right, you still see that man, you are jubilating, you are praising him. Mahama ye, John Mahama ye, Kwen ye, 24 hour ye. Where I support it. Look, me, I support now. Look, sometimes if you vote for you, force me to say something, and people will keep my video recording, and then when time comes, to say when they are giving me a point, you people say I don't love the region. But I love the region. If I don't love the region, why would I leave the home in Accra and stay here? And anybody who speaks to me one-on-one knows how I love Volta region. Volta region. I love my region. But my people, you are not learning. And the enemy, say Gen Z, you people too cannot. Imagine. We are told Gen Zs are you will have. So the Gen Zs in Volta region to you follow NDC blindly. And then you are Bobiana. Oh, I'm beginning to talk too much. Shall I Camila Semino? I will leave it for my viewers to come and talk about it. I'm Mabre. Because okay, please you can send your request. If you want to contribute, you can send your request. I spoke about the fact that Kumasi Accra Expressway already almost spending 10.92 billion. I spoke about the fact that it's still possible. Thank you. I spoke about John Mahama extra 3 appointment to Supreme Court, and in just 18 months, it's still possible. Thanks for the gift. In just 18 months, John Mahama has made 10 appointments to the Supreme Court. Meanwhile, America in our court, Supreme Court, 9 people. But John Mahama has made 10 appointments in just 18 months. And I'm saying, sir, tell them because I said, never sorry, and then I spoke about the fact that Voltarians, they are not helping matters. Because the way I saw Voltarians jubilating over Mahama's presence in the region today, it broke my heart. It broke my heart completely. The whole day I've been down. Because me TikTok ever catch me no more I can foresee Volta region will show up. Volta region will show up. And I know when that black pictures.